Anthony is undergoing a second day of sworn testimony at the state attorney's office. These depositions are not open to reporters. Watch News' Bob Keeling joins us live in the newsroom. And Bob, any late developments here?
Yeah, Jim, we can tell you we have confirmed that Lee Anthony is scheduled to be deposed tomorrow, we've learned. A defense attorney we've been consulting says the very fact that Cindy's deposition is taking so long shows why she is such a critical part of the state's case. Cindy Anthony shook her head and smiled, deflecting questions about how her sworn deposition was going. Meanwhile, Jose Baez told us what he's heard the last couple of days is consistent with what he's been hearing.
The state has to take depositions the same way the defense does, so it's really just part of the case.
She could be witness A for the state. She could be witness A for Jose Baez.
Defense attorney Richard Hornsby says Cindy Anthony is critical for the state to prove its case against her daughter.
Cindy, I think, is crucial to the state proving motive because she's got to be the catalyst for what pushed Casey to, murder her daughter.
To do that, he says prosecutors have to be thorough in their questions, anticipating how Cindy might also come into Jose Baez's defense strategy.
The state has to be prepared for her to change her testimony about any possible issue because, remember, we don't know what the defense is going to be, and neither does the state.
There was no sign of George Anthony this afternoon. Baez said this week depositions are scheduled for, quote, the Anthony family. And Lee's deposition is scheduled for tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Now, coming up, all new at 6 o'clock, why Hornsby says he believes that Baez will point the finger at Cindy to defend Casey. Martha.